beautiful fish! Yes, they are swimming fast. Let's count them all. Wow!
Let's go inside. Okay, let's go. Wow, so many old things. Look what I found. Tom, look at this box. It looks very old. Wow, Lily, what is inside? They are looking for a key. The map shows a big rock. Let's dig under the rock. They found the key.
Found it! I found the key! Quick, Tom, let's clean it and see if it works.
Tom, look at the photograph. This is a photo of our house, but taken 100 years ago. Lily, what is happening?
I told you, children, some secrets should stay locked.
Give me the book, Lily.
Lily, look at his watch. It has no numbers.
It only has words!
Grandpa Jack, where are you? Look at his watch. Grandpa, please answer. Look, Tom. The last page says we just need to go back to normal. Finally, let's do it and fix this. We did it, Tom! The box is back in its place.
Everything is finally going back to
I told you we could fix this together.
We did it, Tom!
its right place, and time has finally returned to normal.